Hello! In this concise demonstration, I will show you how you can streamline a work process to design a low-voltage system using Smart Electrical and Smart 3D in integrated environment. This screenshot illustrates a lighting system layout that Smart 3D users can develop using the application. Users can place electrical equipment on the 3D facility model, create or import cables connecting to the equipment, and route cables on raceways. I just illustrate the outcome assuming this data model has been created in Smart 3D using the standard functionality of the application. In this example, I created a circuit breaker panel distributing power to field junction boxes, which in turn are wired to lighting fixtures in a daisy chain. I also defined some loading parameters of the lighting fixtures sourced from the selected equipment catalogs. This 3D layout becomes an input for subsequent electrical design tasks, so in the next step of the work process, you will need to translate this 3D layout design into Smart Electrical, where electrical designers will work on producing circuit breaker panel scheduler, verify cable sizes, produce cable scheduler, etc. In the currently demonstrated version, this translation will be done in two steps. At first, publish electrical equipment from Smart 3D and retrieve in Smart Electrical using standard integration capability. Second, export a list cables from Smart 3D, like in this example, into an intermediate data form. The form contains cable tags, their from and to connected equipment tags and types, cable length, and cable description indicating service areas. The process of equipment published from Smart 3D and retrieved into Smart Electrical will result in items created in the equipment index, like in this example. It is power distribution board representing a circuit breaker panel, 2 junction boxes, and lighting fixtures. Following, I use a custom developed utility to create cables connecting to the retrieved equipment. That will result in a complete translating the electrical system layout from Smart 3D into a Smart Electrical data model ready for subsequent design activities such as producing a circuit breaker panel scheduler, sizing cables, and other tasks. Next, run this command to summarize loading on the panel and each individual circuit branch, considering the load's operating modes, such continuous, intermittent, standby, and spare. Then I generate a registered report to produce circuit breaker panel scheduler. This report is an add-on application by itself, offering some automation in the panel design work process. It initially suggests to select a size of the panel and then let a user to operate in the loads sheet, enabling to automatically fill the panel scheduler template. Users can arrange panel circuits by automatically optimizing phase load balance or manually assigning circuit breaker slots. The results of the calculations and phase arrangements can be saved back to the Smart Electrical database. The report allows to identify missing cable sizes, which users can fill in the database, and report in the panel scheduler. Please refer to my other videos to learn more about cable sizing options offered in Smart Electrical. Please note that the cable scheduler produced in Smart Electrical can be published to Smart 3D to synchronize cable sizes, verify the cables fill on raceways, and validate routing. If your equipment arrangement on the Smart 3D layout requires changes, you will need to repeat the work process again to ensure your 3D and 2D deliverables are in sync. For example, I added another circuit branch in Smart 3D layout for socket outlets connecting in a daisy chain. Then, I republished the equipment and exported a list of cables into an intermediate data form. Retrieving the published equipment will add 2 socket outlets in Smart Electrical, and running a custom developed utility will create new cables connecting to the retrieved equipment. Recalculate the power loading on the panel and its circuit branches. Then reopen the circuit breaker panel scheduler, which will report the previously saved circuits arrangement and a new added circuit branch. Use the report features to rearrange panel circuits by automatically optimizing phase load balance or manually assigning a circuit breaker slot. Save the updates to Smart Electrical database. Repeat the same work process after changing your layout and circuiting in Smart 3D. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.